What if you could make your 3D printed parts stronger after printing? That's what Reinforced 3D is working on. I'm Stephanie Hendrickson here at Formnext 2023, standing in front of the Reinforced 3D booth. They are a Spain-based startup and they are working on what they call continuous fiber injection process, CFIP. Here's how it works. You design, optimize, 3D print your part the same as you would anyway. You can use any technology, any material, as long as you leave channels inside for the reinforcement. Then you connect your part to this machine. This is their Delta platform. It has spools of continuous carbon fiber. It has standard composites industry resins. Those two materials are combined and then fed through this nozzle, which then fills in and reinforces the part. And so this can be used to make a polymer part stronger with strength approaching something like aluminum. So you can actually lightweight and produce parts that are lighter and less expensive. You can even use it to connect parts that have been printed with the same technology or made in different ways, even combining different materials. So this part, for example, combines 3D printed SLA polymer and metal components. The reinforcement runs straight through all of the parts, joining them together. Right now, the Delta platform, this is a manual process to attach the part to the nozzle, but it could be automated. You could teach a robot how to do this, how to apply the reinforcement to parts in series for a more autonomous process.